Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you all how I achieved this passion twist coils using a barbecue stick, a skewer. So here is the braiding hair I will be using for my DIY passion twist. This video was actually inspired by a fellow YouTuber, Omoni Coils. Please go check her out. So here is the skewers I will be using for this coils. Here is some rubber band I'll be using to hold them together. So now let's get started. Here I'll be passing the skewer in between the braiding hair and twist it down like this. Then you hold it with the rubber band. You're a pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist. So next I'm just going to twist the hair around the barbecue stick, just like this. Try to make sure you roll the hair while twisting it around the stick and leave in some space. This will make the coils come out nicer. After twisting to a point, as in rolling the hair around the stick to a point, you turn the stick upside down and roll the remaining parts the other way. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So after you finish rolling, make sure you leave a bit of hair in order for you to be able to lose it easily when it's time to loosen it. Now tie the end with a rubber band to hold them in place. So this is the result. So I'm just going to go on with the others the same way I started the first. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. So guys, this is the end result of my DIY passion twist. I actually did this few ones because the rest were done off camera. So the next stage now is to put them in hot water just like this, and I'm going to leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes and take them out. So this is after about 15 minutes. Took them out and I will dry them with a towel. Allow them to dry like maybe another 10, 15, even 30 minutes before you loosen them. So this is the hair after about 15 minutes. I'm going to start taking them out now. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. So this is how the coils came out. You can do better with yours, but this is how mine came out. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl there. Mr. DJ. day play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man.
So next, I'm just going to take a strand to twist it and see how it looks like as the fashion twist.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So this is it, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.